Hello everyone. This video is provided to you by HSH in 2019. To watermark your document, go to the Design tab. Under Page Background Group, click on the arrow below the watermark. Here you have different options. From above, these are ready watermarks which can be applied to the document by only one click. Remove watermark is helpful to remove a watermark which already is applied. Custom watermark lets you have your own watermark, whatever picture or text. We use custom watermark in this example. Here we have three options. No watermark. Picture watermark, which lets you bring a picture as a watermark to your document. Text watermark, which we use for this example. It lets you write in any language, changing the font, text, size, color, and layout. For this example, we only change the text. Now click OK. To change the color of the background of the document. On the Design tab, under Page Background. Then from Page Color, we have two options. Either select a color near to the design of the document, or custom color. In this example, we use a custom color. To add a border to the document. On the Design tab, under Page Background. Click on Page Border. Here on the right side, you can choose to be a box, shadow, or a 3D style. In this example, we let it be the default. In the middle we can edit the style, color, thickness of the border, and if we like we can use art as a border. In this example, we use the art for the document border. If we click on these small boxes, we let the border to be applied only to activated sides. We leave this option as default. Then here we can apply the changes to the whole document, or one of these options. Then click OK.